Welcome to the Parent Technology Workshop. This is an overview of Google Classroom for parents who have not attended the STEM before, or maybe parents who just need a refresher course on Google Classroom. We use Google Classroom here at the STEM. It's our platform for the students to do their homework. It can be located at classroom.google.com. And you can use it, there are apps for mobile devices and phones, or any device that has access to the websites and internet connection. You can type in this URL and access it through that device. So the students don't have to just use their surfaces. The login name is their last name, first initial, at utpbstemacademy.org. And the students have their passwords. All this information is written in their Science Interactive Notebook on page 8. This is what the flipped platform looks like. Upon logging in to the website, your student will see the different classrooms that they have been enrolled in. And over here is a view if you're using the app on the phone or a Surface, it'll be listed this way. This is an example of a reading assignment or assignment that they look at. This is the student view. This shows the teacher and the class, and this is a 6th grade math, and this is Candy Sykes, and it has her picture up there. Over here to the left, it shows a due date. Every assignment we post in Google Classroom will have a due date, and it's usually before, it has to be before 8 o'clock, or in this case, for the middle school, it's 7:50. And it shows what assignments are due and the upcoming due dates. This here shows, is the assignment done or not done? That's how students can tell if they've turned it in or have not turned it in. And they need to be careful here. If they do press done and they're not finished, they can always go back and unsubmit to add pictures or images. This is what an assignment looks like in their Google Classroom when they open it up. It has the date that it's posted, it has the due date again at the top, and it has the title of the assignment. And at each assignment that we post, we try to list the steps so the students know exactly what the instructions are. Right here it shows open. This is where the students will turn in. They'll click on that and to open the assignment, and that's where they'll add attachments or finish up the assignments. We list the instructions in each flipped assignment, and we have told the students to read the instructions at least twice. This is where we will put our videos. We post them as attachments. We'll sometimes have websites. They'll be attached here as well. They'll just click on these and can go on to these videos and watch them. And this is where I put my math worksheets if I have homework that I want them to do. The students are encouraged to make comments to each other regarding the assignment. We discourage any non-related, assignment-related comments. They've already been told in class not to use emojis or just make random comments. These comments are public. We like for them to communicate with each other and help each other. This is their opportunity to work collaboratively again. Students will ask questions if they don't understand an assignment, or they get to ask questions and students will respond back to them. We will respond as a teacher if there's a question that keeps popping up and the students don't know the answer to it. We will respond. We have the opportunity as a teacher to go back and put private comments. If a student has not done the work completely or they need assistance, we can respond back, or the students can respond to us in a private comment. They can open it up and send us something that the other students cannot see, and that way we get the opportunity to communicate privately as well. This is the turn-in screen when the students have done all of the work. This is what the screen will look like when they turn it in. This is where they add. If they have pictures, photos, something that they need to add to the assignment or upload, they'll hit the add button, and it will have a link that will pop up. And here, this is where they can create Google documents that they can attach as well. This is where, and again, right here, it says not done, so the student will know that he has not clicked the done button. This is the button that turns in the assignment to the teacher. They need to click that so it's submitted to us. We will not see the assignment until the student clicks this button. But they need to make sure that they've read all the instructions and have completely completed the assignment, pictures, everything attached that was asked in the original assignment before they hit done. Monitoring your child's computer use, the internet, we encourage you to make sure that you know what your student is accessing, check histories, just be smart about their internet use. We have no way to filter it, so we watch our videos and make sure that there's nothing inappropriate on any of the videos and websites as much as we can. And we encourage you to make sure that you're watching what your student is accessing as well at home. These are some of the math online programs that I use. I use Pearson Digits, or Pearson Realize is actually what we use for middle school. They have their login, the website, and the login and the information in the inside cover of their math journal. And then, of course, Think Through Math, which is a supplemental program that is actually approved through the TEA. It's one of the award-winning math programs that the TEA has supported, and we are really excited to have it here at the STEM. Again, their login user information is in their math journal, the inside cover for both of these, their user ID. Let me show you what our Google Classroom looks like. If you log in, if one of our students log in, this is what they're going to see. So this is a real example of our classrooms. Here's Miss Minio's 5th grade. This is the science cave by, this is Mrs. Nervice's science cave. And then there is my math classroom. So the students will have flipped assignments in each of these 3 classrooms. And let me show you. I'll go into Miss Minio's. Okay, and when you click into Miss Minio's, you will see an assignment for her, and this was just this Friday's assignment. And this is an example of what the students will see. Again, it shows her name, the date of the assignment, shows that it's not done, and then this is her instructions. It's TGIF Friday. Watch the video over states and capitals, which is also a study guide for the test text week. Upload which states and capitals you're having a hard time remembering. Okay, so then it shows what the homework is as well. And so this is where the students can open up the assignment right here. They click on this and it opens it up. And I'm actually logged in as a student. Okay, so this is what your student sees in our classrooms. Again, here's the instructions. Here's the video. I can click on that and watch it. And then study the states and capitals and the root words. This is where I would record my flipped assignment here. I click on this button. This is where I add it either from the Google Drive or I can attach a photo and then mark as done or not done. Okay. To go back, students can go back, use this button here. And this, again, the 3 lines here lists all of their classrooms. This shows their work right here. Students can click on this to show what work they have and have not done. This student hasn't done any of his work. I just created it. So it shows that there is a lot of work that is not available, but they can click, or not done, but they can click on each one of these assignments and go into it. And this is how you as a parent as well can see what have they done. Over here it will show done. And if you notice, this student hasn't completed any of the assignments, so there's nothing done here. This is to do, so this is all the assignments that need to be done. When your student has completed assignments, it will move over here to the Done tab, and it will be marked with a completion grade. We don't grade the actual assignments. We give completion grades. Did they follow all the instructions? And we give them a credit for that. So you'll see that. So if you have a 2 out of 2, that means that the student completed everything they were supposed to for that assignment. If you have a 0 out of 2, that means they did not follow instructions and do what they were asked. Then again, go back to the 3 bars and it will show the classes. If you click on the little house up here, it'll take you back to the classes. And again, if you have any questions about Google Classroom, please email us using our UTPB emails and we will communicate back with you. Thank you for visiting our workshop.